Before we start this video, I would request you all to support my channel Adam's Tech Guide by clicking on this red subscribe button right below this video. Once you guys click on this red subscribe button, you will see this bell notification icon right next to it. Please make sure you click on this bell notification icon and click on this all in order to get the notifications and the updates for my future videos. And last but not least, if you guys like my videos, please click on this thumbs up button to show me your love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shahbaz here from Adam's Tech Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you a different method how to reset your Windows password without knowing your old password. So if you guys have forgotten your old password of your Windows operating system, you can reset your Windows password without losing your data. So guys, before I start this video, I would like to let you all know that this is by far one of the easiest method to reset your forgotten password of Windows. I'm saying this with my experience. I have shown you all two methods. Compared to those two methods, this method is one of the easiest method to reset the password without your data loss. You don't have to do anything. You just have to download an image file, make a bootable flash drive for that image file, boot from that bootable flash drive and reset the password. There is no need of renaming a system file and mapping it with the accessibility button. Nothing as such. This process do not need any kind of technical knowledge. You just have to know the basics of how to make a bootable flash drive, and that's it. So yeah, without wasting any further ado, let's hit the intro and get started with the video. So guys, let's start the video. This is the image file which I have downloaded from internet. I'm going to be giving you guys a link in the description. You guys can click on that link and you guys will be taken to this page. Once you come to this page, you guys have to scroll down and you have to come here which says file name, and you have to click on this hyperlink to download the image file. Just save the file on desktop or anywhere you want where you can remember. Once the download gets completed, you're gonna have to download Rufus as well. I'll give you the link in the description. Scroll down and click on the first exe file here, and it will give you pop-up to download and save the Rufus file. Just save it on the desktop to make things simple for the next process. So once you have saved both of these files, it will be on the desktop screen. These two files are the one which we've downloaded. Just right click on this tool and click on run as an administrator. It will ask you for this pop-up. Click on no. Make sure your flash drive is connected to your computer and your flash drive is selected over here. I have already made Windows 11 bootable flash drive. That's where it's showing this name. Now you're gonna have to select the image file over here. Click on select and I'll go to desktop and I'll select my image file and I'll click on open. Just keep this setting as it is. Do not disturb anything apart from selecting image file. Once you have done selecting all these options, you guys can click on start in order to start the process. You click on start, it will give you this pop-up. Click on OK to ignore it. Again, this pop-up will come which will again let you know that the data will be destroyed. Click on OK and it will start the process of writing an image file to your flash drive, and I'll wait for the entire process to complete. Alright, so we are done making a bootable flash drive. We're gonna close this for now since it says that our flash drive is ready. Now we're gonna have to restart our computer and boot from the flash drive which we made. I'm gonna switch the camera to my computer's monitor screen. So yeah, let's switch the camera. So since we are done making a bootable flash drive for our computer, now we're gonna restart our computer. First off, I'm gonna show you all the current password for my computer. So let me just lock the computer and unlock the computer by entering the current password for my computer. This is my lock screen. Press the enter button. Put my current password. That's gonna be 123456789. So that's the current password for our computer. That's gonna be 123456789. And I'll just go ahead and press enter and it locks me into my account. Let's go ahead and restart the computer and boot from a USB flash drive. I'm gonna restart my computer and I'm gonna boot from the USB flash drive. Just restart the computer. I'll keep on tapping the F12 button to go to the boot device menu. This is my boot menu. Let me just move the cursor from there. Okay, now we're gonna go to the UEFI SanDisk partition 1. So I'm gonna use the arrow key to navigate to UEFI SanDisk partition 1 and I'll press enter. And it will load into a different operating system altogether. It will load the drivers for this system like how it normally used to do with our Windows operating system. So it will perform this driver's check. So this is the operating system our computer loaded into. You have to go to start menu. You just have to type in pass and it will give you two options here. You have to come to the second option which says enter password edit and just open it. Once you open the page, it will give you the window like this. Let me just zoom in a little bit so that you guys can see things. Okay, so once you see this window, you have to click on open. Just make sure once you see this page, you have to click on open in order to bring all the users in your computer in this box. Now this will bring up all the user accounts which are there on your computer. So I want to reset the password for my account, which is Adam's Tech Guide right here. It is giving me an option to change my password. If in case I might have locked the password for my account, it should have given this option as well to unlock my password. Highlight your username and click on change password. Now it's asking me to enter the new password and verify it. 5678. Go to verify and I'll enter 5678 again. Now once I'm done entering the password, I'll click on OK. And now I'll have to click on save changes. Guys, this is very important. Once you're done with this, click on save changes. And that's it, guys. We have changed the password for our account. I'm gonna click on exit and I'll go and restart my computer. Go ahead and click on restart. So I have given the command to restart my computer. It will restart anytime. Now we're going to boot into our regular operating system and let's see if the changes has taken place. This time I'm going to boot from my regular hard drive. So that's going to be my N4s. This is the hard drive in which I have my operating system. If our calculations are correct, the password might have been changed. Let me just zoom in a little bit to show you all the password. Earlier my password was 123456789. Let me just make this visible to you all so that things are clear. So as you guys can see, it's 123456789. This was something which was working earlier, and if I go and press enter, it says the password is incorrect. That means the password has changed. Now I'm gonna click on OK, and now we'll try with the new password which we kept. That was 5678. Okay, so let me make it visible and I'll go ahead and press enter. It has taken my new password and it's loading into my operating system. We are logged into our user account, guys. That's how you change your account password without any tweaks. By far, this is one of the simplest way to change the password for your user account if you guys have forgotten your account's password. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions to ask, you guys can feel free to write your questions in the comments box down there. If you guys are new to my channel, please do support my channel, Adam's Tech Guide. That will be really helpful for me. If you subscribe to my channel, do not forget to click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button to get the notifications about my latest videos. I keep on uploading these kind of helpful videos. Thank you so much guys for joining me in this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.